Hello everyone. You might have received test invitation link to participate in Angular assessment. So once you clicked on that, you will land in this test environment. So firstly, you have to register yourself by entering your name and then submit. Once it is done, you can go through the instruction first, like what is the total marks, number of question and duration you have, and how many attempts are available. Then at the bottom, you can go through the basic details as well as the rules and regulation. Once it is done, you can click on Start Test. Over here, you can see the basic test instructions like how many attempts are available or any proctoring is enabled or not. Once it is done, you can click on Next. Then system will check your network strength as well as browser compatibility. Please ensure you have at least 1 Mbps or 1 to 2 Mbps upload speed. And then start your test. Over here, you can go through the problem statement. And this is your ID which is getting loaded. Make it full screen so that you can write your code better. Please wait till the time your ID is getting installed. Once it is installed, you can start coding over here. On the left hand side, you can see the Explorer icon. Once you click on it, you can see the basics, start coding. Also, on the top, you can see 3 icons, right? So the middle one is for the full screen, and on the right corner one, if you click on it, this is a preview section. So once you click on it, in the initial, you will get to see the basic instructions which you can follow. So as an example, this is an Angular test, right? So you can click on Angular. Here you can see the steps how to install, start or stop your application. So the system is automatically getting here on top of the ID, or else you can use the terminal as well. So once you click on quick run, you have to click on Angular and then npm start. And if you want to go through terminal, then you can follow these commands. Now to close this window, I have to click on this icon again. Now over here, it is asking for yes or no. So you can enter Y. Now wait for a few more seconds till the time it's getting loaded. Okay. Now, once it is done, you can click on quick run as given in the instruction, then click on Angular and then click on npm start. Now it is compiling over here, as you can see. Also, till the time it's compiling, let me also tell you, at the bottom, you can see run sample test case and run hidden test case button, right? So this is auto-evaluated problem statement. So once you have written the code, you can click on run here sample test case or hidden test cases so that your code can execute against the given test case. And please note, your score will be completely depend on how many hidden test cases you have passed. So you can simply minimize, run your test case, minimize it, and if you want to see it later on, you can click on show last submission. Now, since it got successfully compiled, you can again click on preview window and now refresh it. Now, once you have refreshed, you can see the welcome window. Okay, so as per the problem statement. The same if you want to see in a full screen, you can click over here. Right? Now, in case if you have, any problem statement where you have to create any API, want to use REST API, in that case, again click on preview and use this particular URL. Okay, so our application run in 9090 port. So now use this URL, put a // and append your API and run it. So once you do that, your application will, your API get executed and you will be able to see the result over here. Similarly, if you want to use Postman, so for that, copy this URL, put it in the Postman, put a forward slash and append your API. Now, let's open any one folder over here. So once we click on the package.json, you can see the basic dependencies are already added, as well as the sample and hidden test case commands are given. And as you can see, port is 9090 and host is 0.0.0.0. Okay. Now, in case if you want to run ng command, so even you can do that. So you can, I am just opening one terminal and I will put a command over here. So this is the command which you have to mention. And once it is done, so I just click on app. So as you can see over here, the user component is created, right? So this is how you can create the component in the platform. Also, one more thing, once you do any changes, it will commit and get pushed by the system, right? So it will take some time. So here, over here, you can see that, the changes are getting committed and pushed. So wait till the time it is done successfully. Now at the bottom, you can see the hidden test case also got run. So now once I click on this, you can view the test cases. And as you can see, I have not written any test case, so it got failed, right? So, and also you can see the execution log and build log. Once you click on the execution log, you can go through all the logs and see why your test case got failed, and accordingly you can correct it. Once it is done, you can exit your full screen and submit your test. The submission may take 5 to 10 minutes because once we click on submit, again the test cases get run and it will run your code.